I'm going to focus now on the layout section at the chart tools. The first thing that you'll find here in the label section that we can change is the chart title. You can determine where you want to display this chart title. You will see at our example it's already above the chart. So that's why I'm just going to click there at the title, and you can type or change then the title. If you are finished with the title, you just click outside of it, back onto it to select it again. If I go to home, I can go and change now the font to italic. You can change the background color. You can change the font color. You can even go and change the size of the text. If you try to change the border, you will see that it is not allowed. So for that, we have to go and change the properties of the title. If I right click on the title, you will find an option that says Format Chart Title. If I click on Format Chart Title, I have a border color that I can change, border styles, shadow, glow, 3D alignment, and the fill color. So if I want to put a border there, I will select border color and I will click on solid line, and you can go and determine the color of your line. Or you can maybe have a gradient line, and you can have more than one color. Let's stick to the solid line. Click on close, and you will see now there's a border inserted for the title. If you want to change anything of the legend, you can right click on the legend and you can go to Format Legend. You can position the legend now, for example, at the bottom. You can also go and put a border around the legend. And maybe you want to use a dashboard border, so you can go and select the compound style. There's a double line border or a dash border. And close. And if you look now at the bottom, there is the border and the legend has moved to the bottom. You can also change the colors of the different pie slices. If I click once, the whole pie is selected. If I click again, only this section is selected. So I can drag it out, which we call explode. If I right click on it and I go to Format Data Point, I can change the fill color, maybe to a gradient fill, to a preset, one of those, and close, and it is changed. Back to the layout, we can also go and add data labels. So if I just click outside and select my pie slice again, data labels, you can position it wherever you want, or you can go to more data options and decide what you want to display. If I want to display the value and the percent, and I click on close, the information is then inserted on the pie chart.